Recovering an actual login password. In most cases, services will not tell you your current password. This is a security issue. Many of them don't actually know your current password. They can only tell if you've typed it in correctly. However, if you have used the Save Password option in many popular browsers, you may be able to recover your actual current password that way. So, for example, here I have Microsoft Edge opened to a Gmail account. If you take a look at Settings in Edge and go to Passwords and Autofill, Save Passwords is on. Manage Passwords lets you control which of the passwords you want it to save. You can get more information, including the current username, but you cannot see the current password here. You can, if you like, update the password if you know that it's changed, but that's not what we're trying to do here. Instead, what we need to do is search for Manage Web Credentials. This is the interface in the old style control panel that lets you manage the different credentials that Windows knows about you. And in fact, here on this line is the credential for the very account we're looking at. You can see that it has a web address, a username, who it was saved by, even though this was Edge, it was recorded as being saved by Internet Explorer, and this show link next to the password. If we click it, we're actually asked to reconfirm our credentials for Windows before it will show it to us. This is to prevent some random person from walking up to your machine and starting to take a look at your passwords. So we provide our Windows login credentials, and the password is shown. That is your only hope of retrieving an existing password. Different browsers have different techniques for doing this. Both Chrome and Firefox have the ability, and this is where you would go for Internet Explorer.